Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a few examples on converting strings to arrays. So let me start off with the first example. So I'm going to create a subroutine called white space split. Oh, before you start, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. I'll do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, let's continue. So we're going to be splitting on white spaces here. So this is going to be my string. I'm going to create a string here, just a random old string. This is a test. Okay, and now we're going to create the array, and we're going to assign it split. Then we're going to do this. We're going to split on white spaces. That's going to be string. Okay, and then we're going to print out the result. The array. Okay, let's just call the subroutine white space split. Okay, let's just call this, let's just run it, and there we go. Okay, right, the next one we're going to do, the next example is going to be, we're going to split on commas, split by commas. So again, create a subroutine and call it comma split, not split, split. Okay, create another little string called my string. My string. Hey, what's happening? I'm hitting all the wrong keys today. Hey, never mind. Okay, another another test. We're off to a good start today. Another test again. Okay, that's what we're doing there. As habit. Okay, again the array. I'm going to assign it split. Okay, we're going to split on commas here this time. This is going to be scalar string. Okay, and then print the array. Okay, let's just call this. Okay, let's call that now. Another test again. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because I'm just working in this particular area here, I'm just going to increase the font size a bit more as well. So let's have a look at change font size. Let's go up to 24. Okay, so we're going to do subroutine again, and this time we're going to split on individual characters. So split individual. Okay. And my scalar string is going to be equal to yet another test. Okay, so again, my scalar array split. Okay, I'm going to do slash slash comma and a scalar string. Okay, and now we're going to print the array. Array. Okay, let's just call this split individual. Okay, let's just call it, run it. There we go. Right, the last one we're going to do is we're going to split by words. So let's just knock that out. Subroutine split words. Okay, this is going to be my scalar string. It's going to be equal to, I'm going to assign it a string, so this is going to be, this is a new string, so we'll assign it that. Okay, again, my array, assign to split. And we're going to use the matching operator here. So, oh dear, I have a problem with my keyboard on this. I have a little file on here called squiggly. Let me just search for it, squiggly, because this character does not work on my keyboard, so I had to save it in here and just copy and paste that. Copy. Just paste in there. For some reason it just doesn't work on my keyboard. It's a bit annoying on this particular computer. Anyway, that's my little work around it here, and I've done that wrong. That should have been scalar string. Okay, it's going to be matched. Just paste that in there. Okay. G there. Okay, and then we're going to print array. Right, okay. Let's just pull that in a little bit close. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. That'll do that. Right, this is going to be split words. Drop that down a little bit. Split words. Okay, I'm just going to save that, and we'll just run that. So this is a new string, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's been useful to you, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and give it a like and drop me a comment or whatever, you know, a sensible comment, not a nitpicking let's split hairs kind of comment. Okay, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.